In the field of competitive examinations, learning every subject and every topic that is present under each subject is very, very crucial for the success in the examination, especially when it comes to the examinations like the civil services, which are conducted by Union Public Service Commission every year. All the subjects we need to learn and all the topics under each subject must be learnt very, very thoroughly. Then only there is a possibility of understanding the subject. Kindly remember, without understanding the subject in depth, clearing the examination is not possible. That is the reason why, first of all, you need to learn the subject. It is not just the basics, but the concept should be understood very clearly, and also the analysis part should also be added to this. In the same scenario, one subject if you learn, that will be helpful to you in understanding other subjects in a better manner without our knowledge. This is what exactly happens in the field of competitive examinations, especially when you take the subjects like Indian polity, constitution, and governance. Once you learn this one, that will be helpful to you in understanding other subjects and other topics very easily. That will also be very helpful to you in certain optional subjects like public administration. And today, I would like to tell you the details with respect to learning Indian polity, constitution, and governance, and what is the importance of this, how exactly this is going to be helpful to us as far as the civil service examination is concerned, rather any competitive examination is concerned. Myself, I am Kalyan Chakrabarti, Director for OnlineIAS.com. Now I would like to speak to you regarding the Indian polity, constitution, and governance. Now, whenever we begin a subject, first of all, you need to have a clarity as far as the subject is concerned. Without knowing the syllabus, going ahead is not at all, this advisable. And especially when it comes to the competitive examination, we need to practice more and more. First, learn the subject, then practice the papers. At the same time, you need to go through the questions that were given in the earlier examinations. That will give you a comprehensive idea, and we can also frame certain idea that what kind of questions may be asked in the forthcoming examination. Similarly, whatever the subject you learn at the preliminary level for civil services, that should also be useful for the main examination. For example, once you learn Indian polity, constitution, and governance, in the main examination, you have paper 2 which covers all these areas. So, understanding the constitution now, understanding Indian polity now will be very, very helpful to you with respect to answering the questions in the mains. Plus, whenever you start reading for paper 2 in the main examination, it will become so easy for you. Plus, you will also be, once you learn this constitution, once you learn this Indian polity, it will become easy for you to understand various economic and social issues that are present in the country. Without our knowledge, you will be gaining lots of experience with the concepts, and that will be helpful to you in understanding other subjects. And especially when you look at, paper 4. Paper 4 in the main examination, that is ethics and integrity. In that, as far as that paper is concerned, understanding the constitution, understanding polity, understanding governance will be really helpful to you. And especially if you look at paper 4, there are so many concepts that are involved. But once you start reading governance concept under Indian polity, constitution, then it will be easier for you to answer questions in the main examination with respect to paper number 4. Of course, for those main examination, we will have a separate preparation that we are beginning from November 1st, 2020 onwards. But currently, I am focusing on Indian polity, constitution, and governance with respect to the preliminary examination for the IAS 2021. And when it comes to this particular one, I would also like to tell you that whatever the concepts that you are going to learn here, that will be helpful to you in writing an essay in a better format. That will be helpful to you in answering your public administration questions in a better manner if you are opting for public administration. And that will be helpful to you answer better as far as ethics paper is concerned. That will also be helpful to you under paper number 2, which covers same things, Indian polity, constitution and governance. Like this, one subject, if you are learning now for 70 to 80 hours, that will be really helpful to you in understanding various subjects like this. That is the reason why it is not just hard work that is going to help you, but the smart work will also play very, very crucial role. And we are going to start the classes from September 14th onwards, and every day we'll be taking the classes for 4 to 5 hours. And once we start the classes, once we finish the classes, you will be in a comfortable position and you will gain lots of confidence with respect to the whole examination, not just the topic that we are discussing, that Indian polity. With respect to this, I would like to show you more points. Kindly stay on. Look at this. So this is what we are going to discuss for IAS 2021. Indian polity, constitution and governance. Look at this. Topics to be covered. Under this, we are going to discuss regarding all the articles that are present in the Constitution. Every part of the Constitution, every article under each part of the Constitution will be discussed very elaborately, so that every concept will be clearer to you, and in-depth analysis will also be provided to you. And we are going to discuss all the schedules that are present in the Constitution, 12 schedules. All the schedules, one after the other, everything will be given to you. And when it comes to the constitutional amendments, all important amendments will be discussed very, very elaborately. Similarly, the topics that are related to governance will be discussed very clearly. There is a thin line between government and governance. There is a thin line between government and governance. First, you need to understand what exactly is the government. Then we can understand governance. Then we can understand good governance. At the same time, we'll also have a look at the previous questions, and we'll also be covering how to read and understand a newspaper. How to read and understand a newspaper, how to read and understand editorial columns. All these things will be covered during this particular course, and this will be helpful to you not just for the preliminary examination, for the overall concept that are related to the entire main examination. Next, and what are the areas that can be understood better after these sessions? So once you understand these sessions, you will be able to understand better whenever you read any part related to governance, anything related to social issues, anything related to economic issues, and 90% of the paper 2 under mains. That will be easier for you to understand in a better manner. Paper 4, that is ethics and integrity, those topics will be understood to you in a better manner. And public administration, the whole papers, paper 1 and paper 2, you can understand in a better manner. Of course, this public administration, it's an optional in the main examination, and this particular point for those whoever is opting for this particular optional. And once we finish up these classes, you will be able to read newspaper effectively, which is the most important thing, which is the most crucial thing as far as the civil services examination is concerned. I'll go ahead. Classes are going to commence on September 14th, 2020. Each day we'll have classes for 4 to 5 hours, and all the classes will be uploaded by 6 o'clock in the evening. You can watch the classes after 6 o'clock every day. And whatever the classes that are being provided to the students who are joining, these videos will be available for you till the completion of the preliminary examination of IAS 2021. And look at the fees, very reasonable fees. So many things we are offering with a very reasonable fees of just 5,900, and it will be up to September 13th, 2020. I suggest all of you to join before that particular date. Anybody, if you want to join even after September 13th, right, from September 14th, the fee will be enhanced to 7080, which is also including GST. Let me also make a note, fee 5,900 is also including GST. 7080 is also including GST. But I suggest you to join before that. Look at this. Another important question that most of the students will get after listening to the classes or during the classes: should any books be read? Should any books be read? My answer is always yes. Yes, you must read few suggested books. As far as the Indian Constitution is concerned, I am going to suggest a few books and you have to read that. Please remember, once you start reading the books after listening to the classes, then you can expand your horizons. That is what is required for the preparation of the civil services. And I will also suggest you to read one newspaper, at least one newspaper every day. During the course, I will be telling you what areas you need to concentrate, what areas you can just, this ignore. Meaning, superficial reading will be sufficient for certain areas, but certain areas you need to go in depth of that particular subject. Like this, whatever the editorial columns that are being given, you will be able to understand this. That is the reason why I will be suggesting you a few books. You must read those books. Please be ready. This examination is with full of competition. It is not a cakewalk. You must take some pressure. You need to take some pain. You need to be committed and dedicated. Then only you will be in a position to clear this examination. That is the reason why you are going to read few books. I am going to suggest those, and you will also be reading at least one newspaper. Look at this. Please take a pic of this. Along with these classes, you will also be getting downloadable PDF material, updated one, and tests will also be provided to you. Those are non-downloadable tests are provided, right? And you can pay. Please take a pic of this. And whatever the fee that is mentioned, you can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, or Paytm. After that, you are required to send your details to me, right? Take a pic of this. You have to send those details that are appearing on the screen along with the payment receipt. And the last date will be September 13th, 2020, meaning by 11 o'clock in the evening on September 13th, you may please join. After that, from September 14th onwards, the fee is going to be enhanced to 7080. Please take a pic of this, and also take a pic of this so that you will have my complete information with you. My name, my mobile number, my WhatsApp number. After your payment, please send your details to me on my WhatsApp. So this is my Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm number. All are same. And on the screen you can see my mail ID. You may mail to me at any point of time. And after joining the classes, all doubts at any point of time will be clarified through mail. We will be maintaining contact through mail, and will also be maintaining a WhatsApp group through which you will be getting regular information. Communication will be maintained. And I wish you all the very, very best. But before that, I would like to show you, this is our site. Look at our site, onlineias.com. And in the menu bar, please come towards the right. Can you see this IAS 2021? Apart from the subjects that we are offering in the prelims level, we are also offering current affairs exclusive for IAS 2021. Classes have been started on May 15th, 2020. You may join now. If you join now, you can also watch the earlier classes too. And anybody who wants to join for preliminary examination, click here. Only mains, you can click here. Prelims and mains, you can click here. So now, because we are discussing about Indian polity, which is a part of prelims, let me show you what exactly is present here. And please click on prelims. You will be taken to the next page where you can enroll for the entire preliminary course, right? So this is, the 44,000. But otherwise also you can join for individual subjects. Please look at onto the left of your screen: Indian economy, environment and disaster management, geography, history, CSAT, science and technology, and you can see constitution, polity and governance, right? You can join any course, whatever you like. Now you want to join for Indian polity, constitution. So please come here and click here. Immediately, a particular box will be open to you. Here you have a place for, this enrollment. So you can click on this, provide your details, and you can join. Or you can use the so-called this particular mechanism of Google Pay, Phone Pay or Paytm. In any manner you like, you can join. But understand the significance, importance of these classes, how it is going to be helpful to you in various other topics too. And all the very best. And I thank you so much. And take a quick decision. Join at the earliest and avail the very, 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 very reasonable price, including GST. Thank you so much. Take very good care, and I'll see you all during the classes. Thank you.